Okay, let's go. Thank you. Thank you very much and good night. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Good lang.
Wow, what's that?
Oh, it's nice out.
Wow. Okay. So who's going?
I'm gonna pick up Maria.
Maria. Okay, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, now see.
Yeah.
See you in California, okay?
Oh,
See you in California. But what, next month?
my telephone number.
I love to see you.
Bye-bye.
Send me, call me, okay? California. Oh,
Thank you so much.
welcome.
On the television,
We will eat halo halo there.
on a US Open.
Bye-bye, my loving man.
You have safe trip.
Yeah, okay. My Tristan, I miss you, Tristan. You take care. Oh, the cane.
The same thing with yours.
I know, yeah. Wow. Wow, thank you. That's my brother's okay. Oh, thank you. Wow. Wow, that's good. Yeah, good.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I think we need the.
Oh, nilagyan niyo na.
Yeah, that's good.
You can make it longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can adjust. Oh yeah, I know. That's good enough.
Sorry.
Oh, okay. Bye bye. Goodbye. I hate to see you go, but have a good. Keep in touch, no, Bansa. And send me the birth certificate. Yeah.
Because I don't have a birth certificate.
That's a lot of money.
That certificate.
3,500 a month. That's for life. But don't get married. If you get married,
No plans of getting back.
if you get married, you lose that money.
Just enjoy life.
Uh-huh.
Enjoy your life.
Yeah. Okay. What's that crow? What's the crow?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Clouds are dark.
Oh, it's gonna rain. Yeah. We will stay here. We will wait for our Uber. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, safe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, be
Okay.
safe on your way home, huh?
Mhm. We will stay here.
Okay,
Okay. Bye bye. Oh, don't cry. Don't cry for me, Argentina.
When are you going to?
No, they go to ours first, California first.
California first.
Yeah. Okay, just that. Bye bye. Oh, it's raining. One more hug for my beautiful girl. Bye bye. Thank you for the thing, okay? Thank you for the gift. Okay now.
Yeah, thank you for the gift.
Oh, Hogsus. Yeah, sure. Kira. She don't want to go. Okay, bye bye.
Stay with us.
Be careful. Oh, what's your mom? What's your mom?
Bye.
Bye bye.
Ay, Tristan.
Oh, malayo pa. Bye, Tristan.
Bye bye, Tristan.
Malayo pa yung biyahe ni Ana.
Ninang. Oh,
Ni Ana.
2.5 hours pa siya eh.
Oh, nakaraos tayo.
Karaos tayo.
Sarili niya.
Bye bye.
Yun.
Bagong bili pala ni Ko Junior. To saan sasak nila Ana?
Ano ba ito? Nissan Kick ba yung cake ano? Hindi, American car pa.
Junior ito.
Nissan Kick.
Kick ba?
Oo, okay. Kay Ko Junior eh. Kung si Ko Junior lang ang nasa loan, tapos na.
Tapos na.
Wala na. Kay ate.
Pangalan ba kay ate?
Hindi.
Sally?
Kay ate wala.
Ate Sally nakapangalan.
Ha?
Bakit siya nag-loan?
Kay Ko Junior.
Oh. Edi,
Automatic yun.
Automatic na, wala na.
Yeah, your debt is gone. Hindi mo pwedeng singilin ng asawa.
paano,
Kung combine.
Paano yun? Hindi nila ipo-pull out.
Yung alin.
I-repossess hindi.
Ano?
O hindi po repossess yan.
Kasi siguro kanila
Uwi na tayo, no?
Isan yung ano mo?
Ano?
Yung over. Hindi ka pa tumatawa.
Ah, ganun ba?
Wala ka bang jacket na dala kayo ba?
Meron pero mainit eh. Hinahanap.
Paano ka over? Umuulan ho eh. It's raining. Ano ba yun? Damit-damit na tayo, no?
Yung alin. Nasaan na sila, ano sasakyan nila? Ayan. Ang layo. Ano sa akin nila? SUV?
Hindi yata.
Nasa Kisari ang...
Ayun, yung blue.
Ayan, yung
Hyundai din.
Hyundai.
Hyundai din ba? Okay. Si Maria pala dyan.
Ayan siya.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Be safe. Bye-bye.
Hyundai pala nga. Tabong, gaganda ng Hyundai pala, no? Elantra, no?
Hindi, Ioniq. Ioniq yata.
Ioniq?
Ioniq.
Aha, ang gaganda pala ng ganyan. Pero hindi ko kaya ang
Alam mo, ang mga Korean cars, magaganda ang design nila.
Hawakan mo nga, kukunin ko yung telepono. Akala ko yung sasakyan natin darating na.
Hindi ko pala tumatawa.
Kaya ako naghihintay din ako. Ano ba yan? Wala naman ka. Wala ka nga kasi yan. Sabi ko sa inyo sa akin. Okay, gusto wala ka mga sinasabi.
Ano ko? Anong wala na? Kuya Bert mo pag nag-excited minsan din yung malaman.
Nakikisawang-sawang mo kasi.
Oh my
Wala
God.
kang sawang-sawang ngayon eh.
Hindi natin magbababay tayo.
Boyet, Hyundai din yung kay Ate Sally, hindi naman minsan eh.
Hyundai din.
Hyundai din.
Yeah, kapatid ko Hyundai din dati sa
Mahilig
mga
sa
sasakyan.
Hyundai.
Ayun, Hyundai din.
Hyundai din. Sino nagdadrive?
Si
Maria.
Malungkot sila, iniwan tayo, no?
Akala ko,
Nakakapagtaka.
Sabi
Sabi niya, oh, let's go. Saan ba yung telepono mo? Baka nawala mo na.
Hindi kaya naiwan mo kay,
Oy, na naman.
kay,
Ayun yata, oh.
tawagan mo.
saan mo nakita?
Hala, asilisin mo kaya yan kasi hindi ka naglabas ng telepono. Nakit. Wag ka iiyan dan. Kitang-kita siya sa lawang.